Hi there, this is Zef from MinimateApps. In this video, I want to show you how you can activate the Restock Alert and Waitlist app very quickly. So, when you enter the inside our app, you will see this warning if you haven't activated the app. So, when you click on Enable, it will take you through your Shopify admin. You will see this kind of page. This is inside your team. So, in here, there is two activation options. One of that is Add Block option. Let's talk about it first. So when you come here, if you are clicking through our app, you will directly come to the default page, and here you can say under this section app add block, and you can choose apps. So when you click in our app, it will come here. When you click on save, app will be active. So, but you need to pay attention. If you have different product template, you have to activate the app for each of them individually. In here, I have only default page, so I will be okay for activating this. But if you have some different product template, you will see your list, and you need to come here and see all activate the app for all of them. So another option is App Embed. Again, when you are inside your team, here is the option for app embeds. When you click on this icon, you will see list of your app. When you click and enable this and save your changes, app will be active on your store. You don't have to activate the app with two options. One of them will be enough. So how you can do this activation directly your team? When you are in Shopify dashboard, under the online store there is a team. When you click on it, you can click again edit team. When you hit this, you will come this page. If you wanna use app embed, again you need to click on this icon and enable app and save your changes. If you wanna activate it with add block option for each of your product page, you need to come here, click products, default product, or any other templates where you want to activate the app, and this icon section icon, and under the apps add section apps, again choose our apps, save your changes, and you will be done. If you have any other question, always feel free to reach out to us. I will see you in other videos.